Hi everyone, my name is Kushi and I absolutely love traveling. Welcome to my first ever travel vlog. And in this video, I'm taking you with me to one of the most beautiful hill stations in India, Mussoorie. This is going to be your ultimate travel guide. If you are planning a trip, this is the only video you need to watch. I'll show you where to eat, all the things you can do, and a detailed 2 to 3 day itinerary. So, without wasting any more time, let's get into it. So, this was actually a work trip, but I decided to turn it into a travel vlog for you all because why not? We started early in the morning, packed our bags, got in the car, and began our journey to Mussoorie. But first, we made a detour through Rishikesh. We stopped near Rishikesh for a quick meal. I'll mention the name on the screen, and the food was good because it was Burger King, of course. Then we landed towards the Ganga River. That whole vibe of Rishikesh, the water, the calmness, the energy, it was beautiful. We took a short break to visit a nearby resort. It was the Nature's Vault and it had big domes. It had big size domes, small size domes, and I'll mention all the prices if you ever want to visit because the prices were a little bit higher if you ever want to visit because it was really hot, so I would recommend you visiting there during winters instead of summers. But anyway, the views are just good and the weather a lot more pleasing. Also, a small travel tip: if you're going to Mussoorie via Rishikesh, plan one day in Rishikesh for activities like river rafting or cafe hopping and then continue to Mussoorie. From there, we continued to Dehradun and soaked in the vibe. The roads were just beautiful. It was so nice. We had some of the best food of the entire trip here. We stopped at a local place in Dehradun and had momos and laughing, and the taste, it was insane. Like honestly, I haven't had such good momos even in Delhi's. I'll let you know the place at the end of the video because we stopped here when we were coming back from Missouri as well. And finally, we reached Mussoorie. We were staying at a beautiful property just a little outside the main town. All the girls in the group were stayed here together. We kicked things off with a warm breakfast and the most gorgeous view you can imagine. Like, look at the view, it was beautiful. Now, here's a detailed itinerary. Here's how you are going to spend your day one in Mussoorie. First stop, Bhatta Falls. This spot is perfect if you love nature. It's peaceful and fun. There's a small amusement park, super fun and very scenic. Also, you can click a lot of pictures and have fun. Next, you can go to Mall Road. Of course, no Missouri trip is complete without strolling down Mall Road. We had a classic lovely omelette here. It's a tiny shop but very famous. Like, so many celebrities have come to this shop. The uncle was really nice. He was really like talkative. He talked us about all the celebrities that came here, and when he got to know that we are filming, he started saying great things about his shop, which every shopkeeper does, but it was really nice interacting with him. We ordered cheese omelette, which was for around 120 or 150 rupees, and it was totally worth it. It was really nice. Our next stop was Chic Chocolate. Now, this is again a very famous bakehouse in Mussoorie. So, if you are in Mall Road, you need to try this place out. We ordered pasta and noodles, but let me talk about the vibe first. The vibe of this place was really nice. They also had like oven pizzas, So they actually had really good food here. I Before ordering, I did talk to the people there, and they recommended noodles and pastas and pizzas, but we were in the mood of noodles and pastas. So we ordered this chili garlic noodles, and again, when I took the first bite, I was overwhelmed. It was so good. The taste here is insane. I mean, the food in Mussoorie is really nice. All the cafes have such good food. But anyway, this cheek chocolate, you should definitely try it out. The noodles were definitely like 10 on 10. Now, this is how the pasta looks like. I again told them to, add more cheese powder, and if you tell them, they will add it, of course. So, this is me trying cheese pasta, and it was again really nice. Again, I would like to rate it like 9 on 10. I like the noodles better, but again, this was also really nice. Now, watch me enjoy my pasta and noodles. Then we went to Landour, just a short drive, like 20-25 minutes away. Landour is very quiet, charming area that feels like you have stepped into another world. Now, Landour is famous for Char Dukan, but we skipped that and headed to Landour Bakehouse instead. Now, Char Dukan literally means four shops. There are just four shops there in Landour, but we went to Landour Bakehouse, which is again very famous. Now, the Landor Bakehouse is again very famous. People were there to just click pictures and have dessert. Like now, Landor Bakehouse is actually very famous. It is famous because of celebrities, of course. Like a lot of Bollywood celebrities have also visited. But anyway, it has a rich history tied to British colonial era. I also got to know this from local people there, that the Britishers actually did not allow to make a lot of shops in Landor. So after four shops, they stopped the construction of the other shop. So that's why Landor only has four shops, and it's known as Char Dukan. Now, the bakehouse is known for its classic art decor design and yummy pastries, a delicious carrot cake, a variety of fresh breads, cake, pastries, muffin tarts. We just ordered Nutella crepes and coffee. The Nutella crepe was really nice. I had a bite and I was in heaven. It was really nice, but the coffee, it was a little bland. I added sugar, but again, not really big fan of coffee there. But you can try other desserts as well. Now our total was 540 for two items. We didn't wanted to spend a lot here, so we just ordered one dessert and one coffee, and all of us just shared it. Now, this is how we ended our day one. Now, for day two, here's the itinerary I would recommend. Start with Mussoorie Lake, peaceful with paddle boating and great views. Then head to Kempty Falls, a super popular spot with waterfalls where you can even take a dip if the weather's nice. Next, go to Company Garden, perfect for a chill stroll or photos. And the final stop should be Lal Tibba Scenic Point. This is one of the highest points in Mussoorie, and the views are breathtaking. Sadly, we were short on time, so we only did a bit of shopping before wrapping up day two, and we took some souvenirs for our parents. Now, on the way back, we couldn't resist stopping again at the same place in Dehradun. It's called Tibet Kitchen and it did not disappoint. We were super hungry and tired from the trip, so we ordered a mix of drinks, momos, and laughing. We tried different kinds of momos, regular and soya, and cheese. All of them were super tasty. I didn't love one of the drinks, so I ended up sharing it. But the food overall, 10 on 10. If you are doing this trip, please stop here for food. You won't regret it. And just like that, our Mussoorie trip came to an end. From scenic waterfalls and cozy cafes to gorgeous hilltop views and amazing food, this trip was everything I hoped for and more. Of course, I'll be taking more trips in future, so stay tuned for that, you guys. And comment down below which place should I cover next. So yeah, subscribe for more such videos. This is Khushi signing off. See you in my next vlog. Okay, bye.